Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in class 7 biology class. And today I am going to discuss about the rest of the phylum in subkingdom invertebrates. In previous video I told you about the invertebrates as well as the phylum just like Cnidaria, Porifera, Platyhelminthes. And today I am going to start the next phylum, that is the Annelida. So previously as I told you that each phylum name is given as per the specific character of the organism which is present in this phylum. So this Annelida, this phylum, it is also made up of the word, that word is the annulus. Whose meaning is a ring. Now why a ring? Look at here, this is the organism, this is the earthworm, and here just look at ring shape structure. That means इनकी जो पूरी body होती है, they are having ring like structure, they are having segmented body, segments में body होती है. These are the segments, these are the number of segments, और ये segmented को हम क्या कहते हैं? Annuli कहते हैं. These segments are known as the annuli. Now, if I am going to tell you about the characteristic of the annelidas, so most of the annelidas are free living होते हैं and they are present in soil and water. Okay, one more important characteristic, they are having the mouth. Mouth is on the upper end of the body and anus, that means the waste material is removed through the anus. That means mouth is upper end of the body and anus is present at the last end of the body. One more important characteristic is there कि these annelids, they are having bristle like structures which is known as chetae on the underside of the body. That means इनकी body के नीचे bristles like hair like structures होते हैं and these bristle like structures are known as chetae and these chetae helps in locomotion. That means कि ये जो chetae होते हैं ये इनके locomotion movement में help करते हैं. So इनका मेन कैरेक्टर क्या होता है? द कंप्लीट बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ रिंग, सेगमेंटेड बॉडी होती है. एंड एग्जाम्पल्स, वन आई ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर, अर्थवर्म, एंड अनदर वन इज लीच, जिसे आप नॉर्मली जोंक कहते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव टुवर्ड द अदर फाइलम. So the next phylum is the Arthropoda. And I have drawn the diagram of one arthropodon here, which is cockroach. आपने बहुत commonly इस cockroach को देखा होगा. So arthropoda, it is made up of again two words. One is the arthros, whose meaning is jointed, and the second word is poda, that means foot or leg you can say. So this type of structures are there in the arthropodas. So in arthropodas they are having jointed foot. That means इनका जो main characteristic होता है, what is that characteristic? That is they are having the jointed foot. जितने भी इनके अंदर organisms मिलते हैं they are having the jointed foot. और this is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. सबसे ज़्यादा animal kingdoms के जितने भी insects हैं, all the insects are come in the arthropoda. This is the largest phylum of the animal kingdom. Now look at the characteristics. So these arthropodas, these are also terrestrial. Now look at this body. In arthropodon, body is completely divided into three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हेड, थॉरैक्स एंड एब्डोमेन. नाउ इनकी जो बॉडी होती है, ऑल द इंसेक्ट दे आर हैविंग द आउटर टफ एक्सोस्केलेटन and these exoskeleton it is made up of chitin, and this chitin is a proteinaceous substance. That means chitin is made up of protein, and this chitin is made the exoskeleton, outer skin of the all the arthropoda. That means the insect, all the insects come in the arthropoda. सारे insect इसी के अंदर आते हैं. One more important, they are having antenna. Look at here, these are the antenna. And these antenna they help in the sensing the danger and the other thing. Now one more important characteristic is that they are also having compound eye. This is the most important characteristic. They are having compound eye. दैट मीन दीज कंपाउंड आई, इनकी जो आई होती हैं वो रिपीटिंग होने थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ओमेटिडिया होता है जिनसे मिलकर के बनी होती हैं. सो दैट इनका जो विजन होता है दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड. एंड ऑल द इंसेक्ट, जितने भी इंसेक्ट्स आप जानते हैं इनके अंदर लेग्स जो होते हैं जॉइंटेड होते हैं. दिस इज द, देखिए दीज आर द जॉइंटेड लेग्स एंड लेग्स आर प्रेजेंट 3 to many more number. So this is all about the phylum Arthropoda. Now next move toward the another phylum, that is the mollusca. So this mollusca word, it is made up of the word molluscus, whose meaning is soft. That means all the molluscan having the soft body and outer hard covering. Now these are soft body and unsegmented body. I already told you कि इनकी जो बॉडी होती है वो बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है, इसके ऊपर एक हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग होती है. सो ये जो होते हैं दीज आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 डिविजिबल पार्ट. दैट इज द हेड, विसरल मास and another part is the muscular foot. Now this muscular foot, this is the movement organ in the mollusca. That means they are moving through the muscular foot. And if we are going towards the example, so you are already knowing about the well known example octopus, पाइला, यूनियो जिसको आप सीपी भी कहते हैं, पाइला, यूनियो. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फाइलम मोलस्का. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली सी द लास्ट फाइलम ऑफ इनवर्टिब्रेट्स, दैट इज इकाइनोडर्मेटा. Echinodermata, the very interesting name of Echinodermata, and it is made up of word echinus, whose meaning is spiny, and derma. Derma word is mostly related with the skin. That means what you are going to understand, all the echinodermates have spiny skin. उनकी जो skin होती है that is completely spiny. उसमें कांटे कांटे जैसे पूरी body के चारों ओर निकले हुए होते हैं. So let's see the characteristic. They are having tough skin, and I already told you body covered with spine. Now one more important thing, they are having one central disc. Usually इनके अंदर एक क्या होती है, central disc होती है, and through that central disc 5 आर्म्स आर रेडिएट फ्रॉम दी सेंट्रल डिस्क, मतलब उसकी जो बॉडी होती है उसमें एक सेंट्रल डिस्क प्रेजेंट होती है जिनसे 5 अलग अलग दिशाओं में क्या होती है, आर्म्स निकलती है, विच गिव्स द स्टार शेप अपीयरेंस। एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है, दैट इज जो इनका माउथ होता है दैट इज ऑन द लोअर साइड and anus is on upper side. That means this is the different characteristic. जो माउथ होता है that is on the lower side, नीचे के सर्फेस पे होगा, माउथ is on the upper side of the body. One more characteristic is there, how they can move, वो move कैसे करेंगे. So they are having a special organ for the movement. That organ is known as the tube feet, and with the help of these tube feet the echinodermates can move, they can move from here to there. And examples are starfish, Holothuria, so this is all about the phylum Echinodermata. I hope you all are enjoying the video. This chapter kingdom classification 2, it is very very important because you also have to study this chapter in class 9 and it is also very interesting. So enjoy this chapter so that you will easily understand the things. Okay, till then, bye bye, thank you.